Here we have a loose gas cap door. Those two rivets hold the bracket that holds the gas cap door to the car. To fix the door, I'm going to remove the bracket with the door, and to remove the bracket, I'm going to drill out the rivets. To remove the bracket with the door, I need to remove the black plastic piece that goes around the gas cap. I tried to remove the black plastic piece by loosening the screws and popping it out. However, it would not pop out because it was in there too tight. I'm going to cut two slits in the black plastic with my Dremel tool, one here and one there, so that I can create a flap. I need the flap in the black plastic piece in order to get the hinge out. I covered the fuel hole with a rag so that debris won't get into the gas tank and fumes won't come out. I Dremeled the black plastic piece using the straight blade instead of the circular blade. The dremeling went okay, but when I pulled the flap back to remove the bracket, the flap broke off. But I'm going to reattach it with flex tape or a product called plastic welder. I just wanted to say I did this by dremeling the black plastic piece. I don't know if dremeling is the recommended way of doing this. There may be a better way of doing this. In addition to the rivets, there were two screws, one here and one there, that held the bracket on. So I got the door off, and here we have a broken hinge pin. It might also be a cotter pin. I'm going to break off this little piece of the old hinge pin and then drill it out. And then I'm going to drill out the corresponding hole on the opposite side. I'm going to Dremel these pieces off because they won't come off with pliers. The same thing with the other side. I'm going to Dremel it smooth. So I Dremeled off those pieces that were sticking out, and I drilled new holes for the new hinge pin. I used an electro-galvanized D10 nail for my new hinge pin. And now I'm going to reattach the bracket with the gas cap door back onto my car. To replace the rivets, I'm going to use these machine screws and these locking nuts. Here we can see the bracket with the gas cap door reattached to the car with the machine screws. The machine screws that I used are on the long side, so you might want to use ones that are a little bit shorter. And now you can see that the gas cap door is fixed.